My dear fellow Indians, listen to this story of an all rounder, learned, brave army man par excellence. Yes, this is the story of late Lieutenant General Pankaj Joshi. His death anniversary falls on 1st of July. Pankaj Joshi joined the army after passing out from a prestigious NDA Pune. While serving as a captain, he met with an brutal accident that stunned all his further progress. He defied the cruel play of fate at every stage, and through his grit, determination, intelligence, and valiant efforts, he earned a place in the 9 highest positions in the army. He had to lose both his legs in a landmine explosion on the 5th year of joining the service, and thereafter, his journey of walking back to the Fulton was a saga of amazing exemplification, duly filled with fierce optimism. Walking back to the Fulton, post the fatal accident, Lieutenant General Pankaj Joshi had to confine with artificial legs through limb center. This was the beginning period of 1968. Now Pankaj Joshi started chasing his dream of getting back into an infantry fighting squads. He decided to put his all-out efforts. He took couple of step hit programs. He went on for rigorous cycling and swimming as his daily routine. He mastered the golf course where one is tested for the long walk with little hurdles in between. He was waiting for an opportunity. My dear Indians, luck knocks the door of those who never give up. There is a saying that when a determined person is fated to close one door, they build another. Lieutenant General Joshi, BA in Russian language, MSc from Madras University, as well as was armed with Diploma in National Security Management from the National Defense University, Washington, D.C. He was a graduate of the various prestigious military institutes, including the Defense Service Staff College, Wellington, Higher Command course at the College of Combat, and the United States Army War College. During his brilliant career, General Joshi had held various prestigious postings. Among them are the GOC in charge of Central Command, Chief of 12 Corps in the Desert Sector, and Command of the Mechanized Infantry, an armored brigade, and an armored division in Central India. Lieutenant General Joshi took over as the Chief of Integrated Defense Staff on 3rd October 2001. Prior to his new appointment, he was the GOC in charge Central Command at Lucknow. In military, caste considerations are never talked about. Yet, a mention may not be inappropriate. Lieutenant General Joshi, a born Brahmin turned Kshatriya in profession, was a rare story of triumph, of willpower, and of determination over severe handicaps. Lieutenant General Joshi was a thinking general. His close associate, ESM, Brigadier Sharad Luktuke, once narrated an episode. Let's hear from his own words.
This incident pertains to 1974 when, as a major, I was undergoing a training program at School of Signals, that is Army College of Telecommunication Engineering, Mahu, Madhya Pradesh. One of the requirements of the program was that each candidate has to write a report and make a presentation on the subject assigned to him. My subject was communications in 90s. Now, to write something on this topic, what I wanted was that what will be the war scenario in 90s. Unless this input is available, it is not possible for anyone to write the communication requirements in that time. So I was thinking what to do, and the name that came to my mind was that of Lieutenant Colonel Pankaj Joshi, who was an instructor in College of Combat, again in Mahu. So I rushed to him and briefed him as to what my requirement was. And I said that I will collect the input from him after a week or so. He asked me to sit down, went in, came out with a little typewriter of his and started typing. I didn't know what was going on, so I asked him, "What is it that you are doing?" He just told me by saying this that, "Keep quiet, I am typing something." And after about 20-25 minutes, he gave me 3 sheets, neatly typed sheets, and asked me to read it. And it was nothing but exact input that I wanted. I read it and was wondering what a wonderful and perfect write-up was written by Pankaj on war scenario in 90s. This helped me a great deal in making my report. As a matter of fact, this formed the initial part of my report, and I put it as it is without changing a comma. That is Pankaj. He was so brilliant, so well informed, so well read, and he could talk or write on any subject without any preparation. We miss him a lot.
Salute to Lieutenant General Pankaj Joshi, who dedicated his entire life in the service of nation.